Hi employers, I'm Melissa May. I'm 38 years old. I have 11 years experience as a domestic helper. But now it's been 1 month and a half. I'm here in Philippines for caregiver training as well. I've been in Kuwait 2 years. I've been in Hong Kong 8 years and a half, and I've been in Dubai 8 months, and it was cancelled. Not much. And for now I was on training, and I will be finished in October 15. So for the future I am looking for employer, same as well as a domestic helper. And I experience employer with different nationality, and I experience as well newborn, toddlers, kids, and teenagers and adults. I also experienced cooking Arab food and Chinese food as well, and Western, simple Western, Indian food as well. And about cleaning of the house, I experienced tidy up the kitchen, cabinets, and sinks, clean and dry, toilet as well, disinfect, and vacuuming, mopping, cleaning the rooms, under the bed, cleaning the refrigerators and sofas, under the sofas and everything. So I experienced as well cars, gardens, and pets. I experienced the chinchillas and cats, giving the cats medicines. And hope I will find employer again. Thank you, and more power. Good luck. Thank you so much.